Hey guys, we're back at SSP. We've been working on the interior in this Crosstrek. It's 15. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove this headrest. I don't know, maybe a dog chewed it up or a bear got in the car and chewed up the headrest. Who knows? Or maybe you just want to take it off. If you pull up on it at a certain spot, it's just gonna stop. There's a little button right here. If you push this button, this thing will come out all the way. It's got 3 notches here. That's what holds it in, is a little thing right here. Going back in, you're gonna have to push this back in, and then this thing will slide in like that. Very simple, very easy, and it'll lock itself in. Unless you push this button, it'll fully come out. Going back in, you have to push this button before you put it back in, or else it won't go back in. Subscribe to our channel, and I look forward to more Subaru and other makes and models.